Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. This month, we're diving into the world of powerful open-source tools that really push what your Android device can do, especially with the help of Shizuku. For those who don't know, Shizuku is a fantastic utility that lets certain apps use system-level permissions, unlocking some incredible functionality. So today, we're looking at my top 3 open-source Shizuku Supported Apps for September 2025. We've got a seamless file-sharing app, a must-have security tool for de-Googled phones, and a powerful way to test drive new Android versions. First up is CatShare. This is an app designed for the Mutual Transmission Alliance, which is a fancy way of saying it makes peer-to-peer file sharing incredibly simple and efficient. Its core features are straightforward. It uses Bluetooth discovery to easily find other nearby devices running the app. Receiving files is a breeze. Anyone can send you a file without any hassle. But the magic happens when you send files. This is where Shizuku steps in. By granting Shizuku access, CatShare can send files directly and seamlessly without needing a bunch of extra permissions or workarounds. It just works. Next on the list is a critical security app called FindMyDevice, and its origin story is something many of us can probably relate to. The developer lost their new phone, and because they didn't use Google services, they had no way to track it. It was gone for good. So they built this app to make sure that never happens again. FMD lets you locate and control your device remotely using simple SMS commands. It's the perfect Find My Device solution for anyone who has de-Googled their phone. Controlling it is genius. You can either set up a list of trusted phone numbers that are allowed to send commands, or you can set a PIN. With the PIN, even a non-trusted number can send a command as long as the PIN is in the message. Last, but certainly not least, we have DSU Sideloader. This one is for the enthusiasts and developers out there who love tinkering with their phones. In short, DSU Sideloader is a user-friendly app for Android's built-in DSU feature, which stands for Dynamic System Updates. Once you install a GSI with the app, a persistent notification appears. You can tap it to reboot into your new dynamic system. And that's a wrap. 3 incredible open-source apps that give you more power over your device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.